Okay, another death hike. Got an extra guide to help us go through the hot springs on Arizona side. It's like wasteland. Not that pretty. Wait till we get to the hot springs. Down. That was a bit rough. Yeah, as you can tell, can die any second. We're going down there. Oh, look at that! There's like rainbow colors right there. Long palm hike, around 5 miles. Beautiful day. 20 Celsius. Windy. Nice cool breeze. We're sweating like pigs. Of course. Haven't died yet. If you see this video, we probably did. Somebody found the phone and posted it on YouTube's.
Oh, look, there's Liberty Bell. Right? Is that Liberty Bell?
Yeah.
You see it?
Where?
Go left.
Oh, there. The arch.
Liberty Bell Arch, yeah.
Yeah, we done and did it.
And you're done.
That's pretty high up, by the way, now that we look. I mean, yeah. Guess we're getting close to the hot springs. There's gonna be a couple of them. I have a feeling we skipped the death part this time. First time we did it 2 years ago, we had to jump and drop ourselves from the edges of the rocks, but this time, not yet. I feel like we skipped that part now. We took a different trail. Oh, that's nice. God, I hope so. We might not die after all. See you at the hot springs. Climate changed. Got green. Isn't this strange? Oh shit. Almost tripped over. So lush here. Looks moist. Whew. Here we go. That's the palm tree. It isn't as lonely as it's cracked up to be. As you can tell, there's more growing here. Guess it used to be just one palm tree. Got all this stuff. Oh, it's dripping. Okay, we got water. Is it hot? Oh, I can, yeah, it's bubbling. Bubbling under. I can feel the warmth. Awfully green. And I hear people.
Yeah, we're not alone.
I hope they're naked. I was promised nudity. Hello. Oh, there's a dog too. Look at this. Just chilling at the hot springs. People camping here, tenting here. I don't know if these guys are homeless or they think it's just fun. I don't know. Whee, slippery. Loose rocks, loose rocks. That's how you die here. Oh, look at that river. Colorado River. Beautiful day. Just beautiful. Ah, it's like a paradise. Would be if there wasn't these people with tents and dogs. There's an old man here. Way to go. I was promised nudity and I got it. I saw a wee wee. Down somehow. Looks dangerous, slippy. Down to the wash and then back to the car. Whew, this was tough, pretty tough. But we didn't die yet. This might kill us, never know. Made it back to the car. 3 hours 15 minutes only. Record time, thanks to Adi not waiting for us. Yeah, thanks buddy. 7 kilometers. But it's all up and down, constantly climbing, going down with loose rocks and shit.